Hello and welcome to Online Education Aid. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can get verified a Binance account. If you want to buy crypto with your credit card, or you can buy crypto with other wallets with Binance easily, then you need to get a verified Binance account. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn how we can get a verified Binance account within 5 minutes. To do this process, we need to go the Binance official website. This is the official Binance link and this is the homepage of Binance. To create an account, we need to click on the register button. You can see here, I'm clicking here. Now you can sign up your Binance account with Gmail account directly, or you can also sign up with Apple ID, but I'm interested to create my account with direct email, so I'm clicking on the sign up with phone or email on this button, and now I need to input my email and now need to set a password, and here you need to agree with their terms and condition and then click on the create personal account button. An email verification code will be sent to your email, and this is the email verification code. Copy and paste here and then click on the submit button. You can see here email verified. Okay, so our account has been created successfully. Now we need to verify our identity, then this account will be fully functional. Okay, so I'm clicking on the verify now button. Here you need to click on the continue button. Now we need to write our legal name following our national ID card or driving license or passport. Here you need to write your date of birth. Now we need to click on the continue button. Okay, you can see here we can verify our account with our national ID. So I'm interested to verify this account with national ID card, so I'm clicking here, and now we need to click on the continue button. Here we need to write our 10 digit of national ID card. Now we need to click on the continue button. Here we need to select our device, I mean which device we want to use to verify our account with face recognition technology. So I'm interested to do this process with mobile phone, so I'm selecting here, and now we need to click on the continue, and here is a Binance apps QR code. Here we need to scan this code, or we can download these apps from Play Store or App Store directly, and then we can log in our account, then we can verify our account easily. Now I am going to my mobile phone to verify my ID. So this is our Binance apps. I have downloaded these apps from App Store, and now we need to log in our account. This is the main icon, you can see here, and here we need to click on the login button. Here we need to input our email. We need to input our password. A verification code will be sent to our email. We need to check and input here. Our code is 913019. Okay. You can see here our account has been created. Now we need to just verify our identity. To do this process, we need to click on the verify button, and here is some tips that you need to avoid the wearing heads and avoiding wearing the glasses, avoid using filters. Okay, so I'm clicking on the start verification button.
Open your mouth. Good. Blink your eyes. Good. Shake your head. Good.
You can see here that our verification has been successful. So this is the process to get a verified Binance account. Okay, so you can see here our account has been successfully verified. So this is the process to get verified a Binance account within 2 or 5 minutes. Hope this video is useful for you. In the same time, if you need a verified Binance account, you can contact with us. You can buy a verified Binance account within reliable price. So you can buy crypto with your verified Binance account. We will see this process in next video, that how we can buy crypto with Binance with our local payment gateways or local wallets. So hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any question about this video, you can leave your question in our comment section. In the same time, if you are new in our channel, then please subscribe us. Your subscription is very important to us, and share this video with your friends and family who really interested on crypto trading or in crypto market. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video with new topics. Till then, take care and be safe. If you need other account related services or virtual credit card, then you can visit our official website. You will get this website link in our video description. You can check there. Also, you can get our contact details, WhatsApp number, or you can get our Telegram link. After visiting your website, you can check our website interface, and to buy our services, you can click on the shop button, and here you will get our all service details, and you can buy from here directly, and it's automatic process. You can check out our services, and if you need any service, you can buy from here. Hope this information is useful to you. Thank you so much.